This is the underpower video demonstration of the LeBlond Makino model MC1813-5X-60 CNC horizontal machining center. This is a 5-axis machine. X-axis is 71 inches, Y-axis 51, Z-axis is 39. B-axis is plus or minus 180 degrees. A-axis is plus or minus 130 degrees. The top of the table is 71 inches by 39 inches with a table load of 6,600 pounds. We have a Cat 50 taper with a 30 horsepower spindle. This machine is a 15 to 12,000 RPMs. It also has 3 speed ranges. There's a low and a medium, which is geared, and the high is belt driven. There's 480 inches in X, Y, and Z inches per minute. This machine has a 60 station tool changer. It also has a Fanuc 11M control. And then the axis is on the table, the Trunnion table. The axis is A over B is on the Trunnion table. There's coolant at the spindle, but there is no coolant through the spindle. It's a flood type at the spindle, but it also has inductance scales on the machine on, I believe, all axes. Machine weighs 60,000 pounds. We have determined that when you remove the table off of it, this machine would go in 2 40-foot containers, or probably ship on 2 53-foot semi-tractor trailers. This machine has mainly been doing aircraft, aluminum aircraft parts, that type of style of parts. It's never run cast iron, though it could very aptly run cast iron. I'm just going to do a walk around of the machine. As you can see, it's in a super clean plant. Looking at the oil cooler, I think this is a spindle chiller, tool changer, Jorgensen chip conveyor. Take a look at the back of the column on the y-axis. The machine is exceptionally clean. In a plant where maintenance is very, very critical. This concludes our underpowered demonstration of the LeBlond Makino MC1813 by 5-axis -60 horizontal machining center.